Okay, let's do a numerical problem which will help you understand the concept of mole. What does a mole mean? And the atomic number of an atom of an element. The question is saying calculate the total number of electrons present in 1 mole of methane, right? So methane is a compound. It contains it contains carbon and hydrogen, two elements, and the ratio in which so when we say ethane, it is made up of particles, and what are those particles? Is not it is those are nothing but the molecules, the methane molecules. So methane is a covalent compound. So each methane molecule contains the ratio of the carbon and hydrogen in methane is in terms of number is 1:4. Each carbon atom is bonded with 3 hydrogen atoms. So CH4 is the molecular formula of methane, and I think its empirical formula will be same, CH4. So this is methane, and first we'll try to understand how many electrons will be there in methane molecule, and for that what we need to know is how many electrons are there in each carbon atom and each hydrogen atom. So let's write down into carbon and hydrogen atoms, how many carbon atoms and how many hydrogen atoms are there. Methane molecule has one carbon atom and 4 hydrogen atoms, right? So we'll add the number of carbon and hydrogen atom. Next, in order to know the number of electrons, you need to know the number of protons, or the atomic number of the element. Carbon has atomic number 6, which write 6 here, and hydrogen has 1. That means carbon has 6 electrons and hydrogen has 1 electron. So we replace this number, the symbol, by 6 electrons, and this symbol by 1 electron, and that comes to 10 electrons. So there are 10 electrons in methane molecule, right? Now our question becomes, what is mole? Why we are using mole is that we are dealing with extremely small subatomic particles which we cannot see with our naked eyes. So we need a unit that will looks very simple, but it will contain a huge number, something like the Avogadro number, which is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. So this is a number which you write with a simple symbol and a, the Avogadro number, which is equal to 1 mole of any substance. So mole is a unit used to measure the amount of a substance in chemistry or in science. So if you say 1 dozen of methane molecule, that means what? Dozen means what? 12. So we multiply 10 electrons by 12 electrons. So there will be 120 electrons in 1 dozen. But the question is saying how many electrons are present in 1 mole. So in 1 mole of methane molecule, the 10 electrons will be multiplied by, when it was dozen, it will be multiplied by 12. So when it is a mole, we'll multiply it by 1 mole means what? Avogadro number of particles or entities. That is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. That is a number. That is what 1 mole means. It is just like dozen. It is a number. So 10 multiplied by this, we'll keep it like this as a scientific notation, and 10 to the power 23 will become 10 to the power 24. So there will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 24 electrons in 1 mole of methane molecule. This Avogadro number is denoted by symbol and a Avogadro number. Hope you have understood this.